Hey guys, welcome back to another fun episode of Learning with Fun Gloves, and today's fun gloves are orange, bright orange, like safety gloves. Pretty cool. That's awesome. And today we have this awesome wooden calendar. We have seasons, we have the days of the week, we have the months out of the year, we have the weather up top, we have a clock in the middle with AM and PM, and then all these numbers down here, 1 through 31, are going to be the days of each month. Will you help me learn how to read a calendar? All right, let's do it. On the top right hand, we have our seasons. Now, we live in Florida, and we really only have one season. It's called hot. Hot, 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 all the time, like summer. Every once in a while it gets cool, but where you are, you probably go through all of the seasons. We have winter, which is very cold. We have spring, when we have flowers and everything pop up out of the ground. We have summer, which is really, really hot and rainy. And then we also have autumn, when the leaves start to turn colors, really pretty colors like orange, red, and yellow. Really pretty. I wish we had that down here. And obviously winter is always a fan favorite because winter is Christmas. Really fun stuff. And down on here we have the days of the week. Can you tell me how many days are in a week? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then over here, we have the weather outside. We have sunny, snowy, partly cloudy with sun, thunderstorms, whoa, wind and rain, and just rain overcast. On the left-hand side here, we have our months of the year. Can you tell me how many months there are in one year? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That's right. Months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. We have our clock in the middle. On the outer rim, we have our 24-hour period. And on the inner side, we have our hours, 1 through 12. And then on the inside of that, we have our minutes, which each minutes count up by 5. So that's why you see 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. And in between those 5s are dashes, which are ones. They count by ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pretty cool. So let's look what 3:30 looks like. We're gonna have the little hand on the hour, which is the 3, and the big hand, which is the minutes, on the 6. And see, look, it says 30 right there. So it is 3:30. Great job, guys. Right now, it's pointing to 3 o'clock in the morning. Ooh, that's super early. Let's switch it over to PM, which means in the afternoon. So it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, right around the time you get done with school. All right, so now that we know what time it is, 3:30 in the afternoon, let's see, should we be in autumn, which is fall, winter, spring, or summer? Well, considering it's summer right now, going into autumn, but we're still in summer, let's keep it at summer. And right now, our forecast is rain, overcast and rain. We don't have snow, so come on, little snail, let's go all the way over to overcast rain. And today is Thursday. Put the mushroom on Thursday. Can you tell me what month it is right now? What was one of the big celebrations we just did with fireworks? That's right, 4th of July. So we'll put our little flower on July, and our number, today's date is the 11th. Very good, guys. So we have Thursday, the 11th at 3:30 in the afternoon, and it's summer right now. It's July 11th, and it is rainy and overcast outside. One of my favorite holidays is trick-or-treating. Do you know what month trick-or-treating is? That's right, October, and it's orange like pumpkins. October, and we're gonna do nighttime, so PM, and let's start trick-or-treating at 7 o'clock. So 7 p.m. and it's going to be autumn, which is fall, which is October. And let's do Friday the 31st, which is Halloween. And we want it to be nice and clear. So let's just do partly cloudy. So we have Friday the 31st in October at 7 p.m. partly cloudy, and it's fall, so autumn. Leaves are changing, and it's trick-or-treating. Happy Halloween. Let's go trick-or-treating. All right, let's do one more. It's probably everyone's favorite. Do you know when Christmas is? That's right, it's December. December, winter, which is the season. Let's do Wednesday, the 25th. And it's gonna be in the morning because we open up our presents in the morning. So it's 7 a.m. and of course we have to have it snowing. And it's time to open up presents. We have 7 a.m. the 25th of December, which is Wednesday. It's in the winter and it's snowing out, and it's Christmas Day. Time to open presents. All right, so to recap, how many seasons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. How many days of the week are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. How many months out of the year? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Good job. All right. I hope you had fun learning about how to use a calendar and telling time. Well, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.